All I want is let the lips be juicy. Hi juicy queens, welcome back again to another juicy content. Yes, my name is Estelle. If this is your first time clicking this video, I'm back like I never left.
Florida, latest bulletin. Hi everybody, y'all.
Today I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful soft glam I don't know what to call this look, you guys. This is the best soft glam I've done. If you're interested, I want to see how I achieve this soft glam. Let me create one for you guys, and I hope you stick around, watch this video, and tell me your thoughts in the comment section. I'd love to see you again in my next video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video if you like it. And yeah, let's get straight into this tutorial. Don't click out. You're killing my ministry while you're doing that. So for primer, I'll use my Milk Hydro Grip primer, and yeah guys, this primer was hyped, and now I have it. I don't know anything about it. I don't even know what to say, but what to do. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using these two foundations, the Nyx Born to Glow in Cappuccino and the NARS Radiance Longwear Foundation in macao. This is on the red side, but this is on the warm side. I'm loving these two combos together, like very beautiful. Like, you guys, how do you see my braids? So I came back like the juicy queen that I am. I came back with new vibes. I came back with new me. So if you see me dramatic and all that, I want to just love me for me. Watch my tutorial for me.
I said what I said. It ain't changing over here.
I know you're thinking, should I subscribe or should I not subscribe? Like, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, I'm going in with Huda Beauty Glow COCO just to make this whole thing set. So for my concealer, I'll go in with the L'Oreal concealer. You guys know I love this concealer so much. If you want a very thick concealer and don't want to spend too much, just use this one. Guys, I don't know, my voice sounds so weird. I didn't let this concealer sit for long because this concealer dries up fast, so I don't want that. So right here, I'm using my foundation brush just to make sure everything is blended in. There is no harsh line, there is no demarcation, everything is just together. Okay, so now that we have the face like this, don't worry guys, don't worry, I'm gonna fix it, trust your girl. I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in transparent. I'm using that to set my concealer first. You guys know we are in summer now, so you want to make sure you don't crease and you do the proper thing before adding your powder. This helps my concealer stay put without moving. I'm using my Beauty Bakerie setting powder in cassava, and I'll take my powder, dab off the excess. Because I'm not baking, I'm only going to set. I'm going to use my Beauty Bakerie in the shade Almond. This is like my skin tone color. I'm going to take very little and I will set here. Sorry guys, I didn't show you guys the powder. I'm using the NYX powder foundation in deep olive just to set my whole face. To bronze out my face, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. I'm going to use that and place it. So while trying to bronze out my cheek, I'll take this further to my forehead just to make sure everything blends in. So I'm using that same concealer again, and I'm going to apply it on my lid. I'll go in with the P. Louise in number 2. Guys, make sure you blend so your eyeshadow can lay well. So today I'm going to be using my Natasha Denona bronzy palette, and I'm going to use that to do today's look. I'm going to go with this shade here called Suntan. So I'm going to place suntan a little bit above my crease, blend it towards the inner part of my eyes, and just make sure everything looks smooth. So I'll use this shade right here. It's called Magma. So I'm just placing that Magma on my crease just to deepen it the more. I'm going to go in with a wipe, and I'm going to clean a little bit of that color. So I was just trying to say you can use any concealer of your choice here. So I went ahead and pat that concealer, make sure everything looks smooth. I'm going to go back to Magma, and I'm going to place that again on my crease just to blend out those harsh lines. So I'm going to, guys, you guys should pray for me. I'm going to use this shade here. It's called Ridge. I don't want to use any other palette. I want to use this palette and do all this look. Oh my god, guys, this is not what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting this. Remember, I did wipe my lid earlier because I wanted something more vibrant, but this shade didn't give me that. It wasn't like this on the palette, but the end result was beautiful. I had to work with it, and it was bomb. Using the NYX gel liner in jet black to line my eyes. I'm going to put on my lashes, and I'll be back. To this shade here, it's called Magma. We put it on the crease before, so I'm going to use that under my lower lash line. Blush, I'll use this MAC blush in Raisin. I'm going to use that today as my blush. Now I'm going to be mixing these two highlighter. This is the Get Gorgeous highlighter, and this is the Lottie London highlighter. I'm going to use them, not too much. Using my NYX lip pencil in Club Hopper, I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to use my NYX lip gloss in Sugar Mama. I'm going to go over it with the COCO in number 8. So when I get to this stage, I take my time. I can combine 3 or 4 and get what I want. All I want is let the lips be juicy. See why I'm called the Juicy Queen? You see why you need to join the Juicy family? Because by the time I'm done working on my lips, you know I deserve that crown. Juicy family, Juicy Queen, Juicy everything. So if you're thinking twice, clicking out, you want to stick around, see how I achieve this whole I'm going to spray my face using my Huda Beauty Glow Coco. No, guys. Let's go over that eyes again. You want to do what is called finishing touching. Go back to it. You can see it's kind of going off. We need to bring it back. So I'm going to spritz my face using this Glow Coco Hydrating Mist from Huda. Alright my juicy queens, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I'd love to see you again in my next video. To my old and new subscribers, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.